Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use some basic functions or simple commands on the terminal. I'm going to walk you through some of the most common ones and hopefully you can get something out of it. You'll most likely be interested in this if you are learning how to code or if you just want to navigate through the terminal, see what directories are in there, create some directories, create some new files. So first off, you want to know how to launch the terminal. The easiest way is to go into applications and go into utilities, and then you can launch the terminal. As you can see, I already have it here loaded up. So let's just dive in. The first thing that you want to do is you probably want to know what directory you're currently in. So if you come in here and you simply type pwd, which stands for print working directory, it will actually display the path that you are in. So as you can see, I'm in users and then admin. Okay, so but you want to know what's inside admin. So let's go ahead and type in the next command, which is ls, and that stands for list. And let's type it up. And as you can see, all these folders are inside of the admin folder. The way you're used to it, you would go into admin, and as you can see, inside of admin, we have the same folders as here, and they're here. So let's say we want to navigate a little further. Let's say I want to go into the coding folder. So that's where the next command comes in. You simply type cd, which stands for change directory, and then the folder name. So let's go ahead and type cd coding. And as you can see, we're in coding now. And now we want to actually display what's inside of coding. So let's take a quick look first in here, coding. You can see we have two folders, but let's do it in the terminal. So cd, ls, and as you can see, new website, other website. Excellent. So now, what if you want to actually go back to the admin folder? You want to go back here so you can see that. So you would actually just use the other command, which is cd space dot dot, and that will navigate you back up. Let's take a quick look at the pwd so we can print our working directory. As you can see, now we are in users, admin coding, but let's say we want to go back. Let's do cd dot dot and then pwd to check where we are, and there we go. See, we're back. Okay, excellent. But now let's say you are actually going to want to create inside of new website, you want to create a new folder. So let's go ahead and navigate into our coding folder first. So we'll do cd coding. Okay, we're going to do an ls to see what's inside of here. All right, so now we want to change the directory to to new website. So new website. Excellent. Let's do another quick pwd. And as you can see, we are now in this path. So let's take a quick look at what's inside a new website, ls. As you can see, we only have one folder called images. But let's say we want to create a new directory inside of our new website folder. Let's say we want to create a CSS folder. So that's where this directory comes, or this command comes in, mkdir, which stands for make directory. So we simply type mkdir and then the folder name, which is going to be CSS. And as you can see, it quickly popped in here, but let's do a quick ls to see what's in here. There we go. We now have two folders. Let's also navigate into that CSS folder that we just created. So let's go into CSS by typing cd.css, and let's do a pwd, and as you can see, we're in the correct path. But now let's say we want to create a new styles.css file so that we can start creating all our different CSS code. And the easiest way to do that inside of terminal is to use the command called touch, and this is primarily used to create new files. So first, let's take a look if there's anything inside of CSS. Nothing. There's nothing in there, and we can verify that here. There's nothing in there. So let's quickly create a new file, and we'll call it styles.css, and you do that by doing touch styles.css, which is the file name, and there you go. You see the file was created. So with those 5 simple commands, you can pretty much navigate through terminal quite easily. You can create new directories, you can see where you are, you can see what's inside of each folder, and you can create new files. So hopefully this has been useful to you, and appreciate you watching. Thank you.